What's up guys, it is Emiri Netic, and today we are gonna take a look at the brand new Apple Watch Series 5. I can pick up this from Apple. The price on this 480 euros. Alright, so let's check this out. Now this one is the space gray aluminum case with the black sport band, and it's 44mm. So yeah, let's get in and go inside to unbox it. Alright, so we have the Apple Watch itself and the sport band. So let's see the sport band first. We got the watch itself, the logo, and here we have the sport band. So what we have here, the bigger size, and here watch itself, and then here we have the small one, which is I'm gonna using. Okay, and the watch itself. Alright, so it comes with the quick start guide and the 5-watt charger with the same charger as last year, and it comes with a dust cover, and here we have the watch itself. So it is already on, as you can see. Alright, so the watch has installed. So what are the new features about the watch itself? So it comes with a new display called the always on display. The display is always on 24/7. So it comes with some new apps. We have the walkie-talkie app, and we have the compass, and at last we have a decibel meter. So that's not much. So yeah, that was it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me the thumbs up for this video, and please subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.